Today we're going to be practicing our receptive skills with animal signs. Let's go ahead and practice the basics. So as I had mentioned before, we're going to be practicing animal signs. So today is going to be a little bit different. Typically, I will do fingerspelling practice videos. If that's something you're interested in, I'll be sure to leave a link in the card up above or in the description area down below. But today we're going to be focusing on signs. So today I will be going over 5 signs of animals. And I will go ahead and sign it. And I will include a couple variations for a few animals that have them. But go ahead and watch the video, and if you understood the sign that I show, then go ahead and pause the video and put your answer down in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go over 5 animal signs and test your skills. So those are the 5 signs today that they're all animal signs, and go ahead and pause the video, and if you understood each of those signs, go ahead and put your answers down in the comment section down below. And let me know, was this a fun video for you, or would you like some more receptive practice videos such as these? And if you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these and click that bell notification so you can receive a notification when new videos come out. And if you would like to review those animal signs, you can actually check out the video that's up in the card right now, or you can go check in the description down below where I have a list of all the previous lessons that I've done from the alphabet to how to improve your receptive skills, as well as how to become fluent in any language. So go ahead and check out some of those videos down below, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.